Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are using Hostinger, an affordable and beginner-friendly web hosting provider. Today we will be learning how to connect our domains to Cloudflare, a global network service provider. First thing we're going to do is to log in onto both our Hostinger and Cloudflare accounts. Back here on Hostinger, we would need to prepare our domain and name servers for Cloudflare to work in. From the home screen, you would need to click on the drop-down button labeled Domains. In order to see a few options, click on Domain Portfolio in order to see all your active domains. On this screen is your domains list. Feel free to choose which one you would like to be connected to Cloudflare. Once you have figured that out, simply click on Manage to continue. Then you will be able to see a few details of your domain, which will come in handy later. We can now proceed to Cloudflare. From the menu bar on the left, simply head on over to the website section and copy and paste your domain address onto that input box right in front of you. Afterwards, you can either enter other DNS records, but if you are unfamiliar with them, feel free to just choose on Quick Scan for DNS records instead and hit continue. The next step would be to choose a plan for your domain. Feel free to choose whatever you deem fit for your site. However, you can always choose to subscribe for free as well. Then, hit continue. Then you will see this screen. If you are unfamiliar with these terms on Hostinger or Cloudflare, you can always just proceed to click on Continue to Activation to move on. On this screen are a few instructions, some of which you will need to follow carefully. The most important part is to update your name servers. To proceed, simply click on Change Name Servers. Then click on Change Name Servers once more. Then what you're going to have to do is go back to your Cloudflare window and copy and paste both of your name servers onto this dialog box, accordingly to their order. Like so. And when you're done, simply click Save. Afterwards, you are pretty much good to go. If you want to customize, protect, or even boost your website, feel free to do so using Cloudflare. That is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching.